This is Ron out of the bloody rain. Soaking wet.
Soaking wet. Glasses off. Can't see the glasses off.
Boy stood on the burning deck when all but he was lost. I don't think it was Ron, was it?
No, he switched the engines into reverse.
You all know what happened then? You got off. There was brown bilge.
I'd pull it right, Rolls.
Coming on no end.
Coming on no end.
Designated Ron, made him up to senior quartermaster, which is entitled to 4 hours work a day, minimum.
Like, right above where I'm going to sleep, that. What? Ain't all Norm's worried about is spiders. Look at the size of that thing. Hey?
Hey, look at that. I thought it was the end of his putter.
Can you kill it for me, Mick?
Hey?
You're going to get rid of it for
Don't
me?
like them.
They're not my favourite food. Go on, Mick. Be a hero, Mick.
That ain't no.
That's a snake. That's a snake.
What?
And he lives here. I reckon he. Oh, hey.
What? Mind the butter. Move the butter.
That is evil.
Look,
Hey, have you seen this, Ron?
I have, I told you.
Hey? I'm glad I spotted that before I went to bed, because I sleep underneath this table. Hey.
Normally, by the way,
Yeah.
we really shouldn't get alarmed over these things. Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
don't worry about it. Hold on one moment while I get my gear on.
What are you doing now?
What up? I think that's the slug they use in.
There's only one way. There's only one way to get shot of this guy.
Who do you think you are, Crocodile Dundee?
Now, most people would normally.
Hey, Ron, we got Crocodile Donnelly here.
I know.
Most people would probably approach it like this, the
Right.
United Kingdom. But what we would do at home
What, you grab it in with your
is,
teeth?
no, we would get a little piece of salt. Now throw the salt like so, and you'll find that it'll drop. Now, if you don't believe this, I'll prove it to you.
Never mind that, just get rid of the bloody
He's
thing.
getting very frightened of this animal. You'll show that I've got no fear whatsoever of this little
Hey?
piece. Now, where's the salt? Now, people don't believe these kind of things, but when you've actually experienced it, then you'll find it here. Now, you will see this, Ronald.
Oh.
What have I got in my hand? What have I got in my hand?
Hey, four fingers and a thumb.
Now, watch this.
Oh,
little
look,
fella
Mick,
here.
come on.
Watch
Just
this little fella
look,
here.
just get on. We don't want it all snotting everywhere,
What
which
you
is
do
what
now?
happens.
Gonna disintegrate.
Yeah, but it all disintegrates.
Right, now watch this little fella here react to this. He will obey everything that I'm saying.
Oh, the poor.
Oh, no.
It's like one of those
Oh,
horror
no.
films, like
Now you see, this is what we
Waterman.
call.
Oh, that's gruesome, isn't it?
Well,
Oh, that is evil.
now I
Oh,
didn't touch
you
that with
just
my hand.
cauterised
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Look at it.
Now if you find yourselves
I want one volunteer to sleep up here in this shithole.
so all you people.
Oh, look at that. Look at
Oh,
that.
look.
Now all you.
Oh,
all you people out in the United Kingdom that have this problem, I'm the man. Don't be afraid to call. Okay, I'm in Bedfordshire at the moment, but I'm
Buckinghamshire, watch out.
Bucking.
He's due there next week.
Okay, Milton Keynes next maybe, but there you go. This is just one little sample. Not special. Ron, come here. Show us your dick, Ron. Say good night now, and God bless and sleep
night
tightly.
2. What's the time?
Stroke of luck.
What's the time?
Time is 21:55.
Right, and what's happened, Ron? Tell them, Ron.
21:55. We returned to the boat and we signed that Michael, an ex-Navy man, has cocked it up from a great height. From a great height. He's left the gas on.
We walked into a boat full of bloody gas.
Life and limb stuff, isn't it?
Ron is seriously thinking about going home to see
Tonight.
Pat
Yeah.
because he's got no trust whatsoever in the crew on board this vessel.
No crew.
What
crew?
We've managed to
Oh, but I know
persuade
what you
him.
mean. Motley.
We've managed to persuade him to stay on. But,
Have you got this on video? Me washing
but
up.
these gases weren't necessarily as serious as the gases before, the night before.
Hang on, this is the skipper talking about that chap with the woman's husband.
No, I'm the skipper. He's only the cook.
Yeah, but he said it wasn't as serious as the night before. It's just like that skipper said about the women's
I
underwear.
was talking about gases actually, gases.
Oh, gases.
Gases,
Yeah.
They come from various places. Some from the human body and some from...
Some from your arse.
Doesn't that constitute the human body then?
Fortunately, none of us smoke, and
I might go back to smoking after tonight.
Oh, we should sleep well anyway.
yeah. Put my hand up.
Great.
It wasn't me.
I filled boat first, which I did, and they said, "Don't worry about the gas fumes. Just finish the washing up," which I've done, and now I'm throwing a wobbler.
Man,
I'm saying I'm going home
was your
tonight,
biggest mistake.
and they're saying, "Calm down, calm down." But I'm no calming. Not now.
Yeah, old Columbo to sort
Their
this one out.
behaviour's been disgusting. I can't comment over and beyond to say this lifelong friendship is at an end. They are. They owe me £1 each as well. And that's another ploy. Anyway, I'll pass you back to Jim Law. Tuggle in. Why does the phone, your voice sounds croaky, Norm? Well, we're breaking up at this end as well. Never will I darken their doorsteps again.
Is this Granny Madison down here? Oh, look, he's hidden.
no.
Look, he's hidden.
Yeah.
Hey, look, this is where they sleep in here.
Yeah, this is the cesspool.
Hey, this is the second class compartment.
This is the cesspool.
Hey,
I'm just putting my money away
what's that?
in case mate Mikey starts fumbling around for funds during the night.
Right.
It has been known.
Every time he swings round, he takes that old blanket off. Hey,
More like E.T., doesn't
he feels like Kevin Costner. He looks like more like old Mother Riley.
Valid, is it?
Yeah.
We're going to go in bed with public opinion.
Is that it?
Oh, got him. Okay. Hey. Old Mother Madison. Hey. Now this is the image he's been trying to protect ever since we got on board.
Watching
Right.
TV. This is intellectual. It's news night.
Yeah, and pathetic.
Kirsty McCall. She's talking very
And he
soft.
promised to make me a pair of socks. Alright? The other ones need darling. He said no, I wouldn't.
I got you, Ron. I got you. Jim. Oh,
Get him.
a piece of toast would be very nice, Michael.
Ron, you want toast? Just bread, okay. He's going to be all healthy.
He's going to be all healthy. This is Ron. He's the navigator. He's steering the boat. The cook there is getting ourselves organised again.
Like waste not, one not.
Waste not, one not.
See, preheating again now.